Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the table border in Google Docs. So to remove the table border, you must place the cursor anywhere on the table. This will basically open a new menu or tool on the toolbar that allows us to access more options to customize this table. After that, go to the table options and then open the color menu. And then here you have two options or two methods to remove the table border. You can change the color from black to white. Basically, it will make the border disappear. It's still there, but the color happens to be the same as the rest of the page, and therefore it looks invisible. Another method is basically by changing the thickness from 1 to just 0. It is almost the same. Maybe you have noticed that the table is shrinking a bit simply because there is now extra space that used to be occupied by the border. Now it's missing. So just keep that in mind. But personally, I prefer to just change the color to white. I think that's just look a lot prettier. Anyway, what if you just want to change the, if you want to remove the table border for a specific cell? Can we do that? Well, the answer is yes, we can do that. So first, you have to select the cell or the cells that you want to make the border disappear. You can select an individual cell or you can select two cells like this. It is possible. And after that, you have to click on this menu and you have to select the option or the style of the border that you want to select. So this is kind of difficult to explain, but you have to select this option. Usually this option, if you want to remove the outer border, but if you want to remove the inner border as well, then you have to select this option. In this example, I'm going to select this option. And then after that, now the borders have been selected. Click on the color. And then you can change it to white. And now the table border of these two cells are gone. And that's basically how you can make or how you can remove the table borders in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful and I'll see you on the next video.